ready?
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
Welcome back, guys. Today is Friday, February 7th, and a lot of cars are going to be done today. They're going to be completed. We're doing some PPF, some finalizing for ceramic coating, the sand truck that's fully complete, and we also got a lot of maintenance going on outside. So today's video is going to be a little bit shorter. It's going to be more of a freestyle, right? We're just going to go around and show you guys what we got going on, some of the cool cars that we have in here, and hope you guys enjoy. So we're just prepping this front end for paint protection film, making sure there's no dirt or any lint in the cracks and crevices. That way we get a super clean install. On that last video, we weren't able to do a demonstration on the protection that we're going to be applying for the windshields now that you guys are going to be able to ask us about. Film was still curing, but now that it's cured, we're going to do a quick demo for you guys. We're not going to get too crazy, but this will give you an idea of the protection that you can possibly get on your windshield. So film is installed, you can't see it. It's a wrench. And that's what's going to protect it from those stone chips. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. We can get you guys quoted. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. and can't wait to see you guys on the next one.